Welcome back. So notice we're doing one last data table, two input data table. And on this one we're going to vary the interest rate in increments of 2%, so 5, 7, 9, and 11. And then we're going to vary the, for the column, we're going to vary the start age. Okay, so again, all we have to do is put a cell reference here in this corner cell to the balance of retirement. Okay, and then we just draw a data table around that. Oops. And just go to data table. What if? Data table. And for the row, we'll put the interest rate. And for the column, we'll put the start age. Click OK. And so for the example column, we got 7%, so it's going to be in this column, and 36, so 563 years, so degrees. So again, the nice thing about this is it lets us compare a number of different scenarios at a number of different interest rates, number of different start age scenarios. And honestly, this one to me is the better one for predicting or helping people understand the importance of starting early, and then also understanding the difference in getting a better rate of return. So as before, let's say if our goal was to earn, let's say $1 million, balance at retirement. Okay, and we'll highlight the result cells here. Go to Home tab, conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, greater than, and we'll pick this. Custom, well, we'll just do that. So again, it lets you see the advantage of starting at a younger age and get a little better rate of return. So you could change this around. Let's say make it 800. And you start to see that it gradually expands out. It makes it. If you want to edit that, just go to Manage Rules, Edit Rule. The light green one didn't stand out enough for me. This is probably going to be too dark, but I don't care. Yeah, you can't see the numbers this way, but oh well. So you get the idea. All right, thank you very much, and I'll let you work on the assignment.